Hi guys, I have uploaded a video on YouTube few days ago that is about the 1 second audio clip of WhatsApp. When we record the audio clip and then it is automatically converted to just 1 second, which is also not possible to understand by the receiver. So I have found a real solution of this problem. You have to see it carefully and you will solve your problem by yourself by watching this video. So watch here carefully. Actually see here, this is the 1 second problem. When I recorded audio clip from microphone of my WhatsApp, then it is automatically converted to just 1 second. So what you have to do, download an application from the Play Store for this problem solving. So watch this video carefully. I will drop the link of that application in below description. Right here in Play Store, multiple icons, this is the name of an application. So you have to select the vertical edge. So let me figure out to you this one. You have to install this one. I have already installed it, so I'm opening it. So you will see this is already installed. So I'm opening it from here. So it will take some time to open. You have to select on start, then you will wait for 3 seconds and then allow. And here first you have to clone it. See, it is cloning. So after cloning you will take your backup from your original WhatsApp chat and everything if you want. So this is the option of backup. You can take the backup from here. So I have taken already the backup, so I am going to my this new WhatsApp. So you don't need to uninstall your previous original WhatsApp, okay? For this, if you will uninstall that one, this WhatsApp will also not work. So I am going to log in, just normal login as we do in our original WhatsApp. This is also original one, this is not a fake one, okay? This is just cloning that application of WhatsApp. So I am going to just signing up to my this account. Okay, wait for it. It is showing me that you are logged out of your other account. So I know I have logged out from other account because I'm signing in here. The message is scam. I'm just copy the message and enter here for the verification. So once to verify, I'm dropping the link of this application in description. Please see the description and download this application. Just I'm taking the backup from here, so the backup will be taken out from here. The backup done. Next, it is showing me again the log. You have logged out, so I can stop the notification from the app. So now completed signing up WhatsApp. Now what we have to do, so we have to record the message. So I am recording the message and you have to record the message as well. You will see this message will work and you can record the longer message as normally we did previously. So just 7 seconds. So now you can take the shortcut of this application to your home screen. So I'm taking the shortcut like this, just edit. So this is all you have to do. Once you will do it, problem will solve. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Tutorials for Friends. This channel I have made for you. I have got many views on my videos, but I don't get subscribers. So please give me subscribers, so I will have the courage to upload more videos for you like this to solve your most problem. Thank you very much.